JD Cap 26 here, just do tips and peers and hobbies, and we dug out the Leatherman, and it's the Leatherman Surge. So let's open this up, see what's inside. Nice card here covering the contents with the Leatherman symbol, and it's got instructions on this side to show you all about the tool. Very well packaged. I love the packaging they do. And here's the Leatherman Surge. Sorry if I'm out of focus here. It comes in box here. And let's take the tool out. There's the tool. Very nice. It's two-tone. And good condition. No scuffs marks on it or anything like that. Put it to the side. It's got a very sharp serrated blade. And there's the blade right there. Let me show you close up. It'll cut through boxes like no tomorrow. It's got a release right here. Releases like that. And it's got a knife blade. And nice good sized knife. This is one of the largest of the Leatherman besides the super tool. And let's see how this cuts. Not bad. Oh yeah. They know how to sharpen their blades. Yeah, it's got a release on it again on the side here. Inside right there. And let's see what this is. This comes out with your finger clip right here. And here's your saw. Really good saw. And that's interchangeable. Comes with a pouch. I'll show you later. The pouch. Very sharp saw. You can interchange that saw very easily. Let's see what else we got here. And what's this? Look at that. It's got scissors. Wow, cool. I didn't expect scissors on this. So let's see how the scissors work. They don't seem to spring very well. Scissors don't spring very well, so it's supposed to spring up against the spring right here. And I think that needs to be tightened because it's moving. So there's the scissors. Let's look on the inside of the tool. And here's the cutters. They're not spring-loaded. I'm out of focus here. I'm sorry, guys. And they look very sharp. Let's see if we can cut something with it. Cut this piece right here. Put it in the jaws there. Yeah. That may just be a little bit too thick to cut. But they're good wire cutters. You can also lap these if they're too tight. Okay. So let's pull out the other tools. These tools come out nicely. Got 2 screwdrivers, an awl right there. Okay. And this side, we've got bottle opener. And another part where you can put a screwdriver in. And we got those screwdrivers over to the side there. So you got that part to put screwdrivers in. And that's where you put the screwdrivers in. Yeah. Just need some working in. They're not like other manufacturers. You gotta do stuff like that. So let's open up the blade here. We got the bit extender. I'm going to have all these products in the description below. see if we can open this up. I guess the Leatherman has no problem opening its own packages. And I'm just going to save this little thing right there. Get rid of the package. And this is the bit extender. Okay, very well made. Let's put the knife away and go for the bit extender inside. Let me show you that. It's got a button here, see, to release it and to lock it. So that bit comes out like that. It goes on the in there and that, and then it fits right into this. Okay, so there's your bit extender, and I've got 2 sets of bits that I'm gonna use with this tool. Let's pull that bit out, stick it back in. You can use it just like this too, you know, as a screwdriver. You don't want to use the bit extender, and then just open the tool up, push the button, and close it. Closes very nicely. So put that to the side. Some paper here to get rid of, and let's open up this knife part and open up this package. Get the bits out. Sets of bits. Save the paperwork. You don't need the box. And here's the bits. Okay, you get 2 sets. And then you got a little eyeglass screwdriver on the end here. Okay, do your eyeglasses. It's got Phillips head and flap for the eyeglasses. Good tool, very good tool. Very what do you call it? Made well, made very well. Let's open up this one. This is the clip. Be careful with this knife. It is sharp. Oh yeah, it's sharp. Save the paperwork. And in here you get a belt clip. And then a lanyard clip right here. Now, I don't know if you could put both on at the same time, but this lanyard clip goes in somewhere on the knife. And I'm sure you have to refer to the instructions to put it on. I don't see where I can clip this in. Maybe right there. It goes on one of these that it clips onto. Let's look at the instructions. Of course, I click the instructions a little bit. Well, not worried about it, but open it up. Let's open the tool up. Ah, I see right here, I think. It goes right here. Clips on there like that. Or you can have this instead, but I think this instead may go on the other end. There's a hidden one in here too, already on, I think, on the knife itself, on the multi-tool. Let's see if this goes on there. No, it goes on instead, so it goes on instead of the clip. So we got all the tools out. Oh, we got this. I got this flashlight. Didn't come with the tool, but this is a great flashlight. It's the button type. You can get it out of here. Button type flashlight. And you want the button type because I carry my tools in my pocket, and the ones that twist off, this cap comes off and it gets lost. So this is a good, strong AAA battery light, and you'll find that on Amazon as well. So let's see what else is in here. Here's the package of other goodies. This is the file. That's a good file. You can interchange the file on the knife, on the multi-tool. It goes in there like that. And oh, I'm glad I got this case with the snap. You want the one with the snap. You don't want the one with the Velcro. And let's see what we can fit in here. Got that tool right there. And this one will go behind it. I'm sorry, I'm out of focus again. Put that one in there behind it, like so. And this tool behind that. If you can fit it. And push it in there. It'll stretch out after a while in the case. Okay. So like that. All three. Hopefully we can get the tool in. And there's a little secret pocket here for this little bit clip right here. You drop that in there. And the tool goes in, probably goes in the other way. No doubt it will go in the other way. So let's take this part off, this piece. I'm not sure how to get that off. I think by the release. There we go. Use the release. Use the release to unclip this part. And usually it goes in, super tool goes in this way. Super tool. It's not a super tool, it's a surge. It's a surge. So there's a surge there, and then when you put this on one side, and you will be very well prepared to fix anything you need to fix that. It's handy getting this over here in this. It's a tight fit, but I'll stretch it out. Put your finger in there. There we go. So there, you put that on that side. This will just slip on this side in like that. The clip, I think the clip you can put, it's this pocket's deep enough. You could probably put it in the front here, or you could put it in the back. We'll put it in the box for now. Just push it all in and snap it closed. And it's got a nice tight belt loop in the back. Really good tool, very good tool. There's the Leatherman Surge. If you have any questions, please leave in comments below. If you want to see this tool also, you know, with all the tools functioning and everything else, I will not be doing another video, but you can see it on Diesel 57. He does a torture test on these tools, and he has a ton of multi-tools. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you.